This experiment demonstrates Boyle's law. All you need is a 50 ml new plastic syringe and a balloon. Cut the balloon and tie a knot to make a small baby balloon. Trim the extra end. Place this teeny weeny balloon inside the barrel of a syringe. Make sure there is enough space for the balloon to expand. Now close the mouth of the syringe with a finger and push in the plunger. You will see the baby balloon shrinking in size as the air pressure inside the barrel increases. Now slowly pull the plunger out. You see the baby balloon grows bigger and bigger